Good morning, guys. Today we are going to present you a very interesting article on the subject, the Gravimetric, entitled Microwave Dining of the Precipitates for the Gravimetric Analysis by Lisette and the speaker, Sebastian.
Table on content, abstract, methodology, result, and conclusions.
Abstract the research to check the FSI, the drinking samples obtained in the gravimetric analysis laboratories using the microwave for this produced and thus find the need difference between conventional drying and that performance with the microwave, making a comparison of the theoretical weight fall with the intentions of the measuring the performance of the technical skill.
Methodology. The procedure followed to find the microwave dye efficiency was as follows. First, the sample was taken after filtration of the following combined silver and silver chloride, sulfate and barium sulfate, and calcium oxalate. Second, they were taken in crucible to the microwave in time lapses, which in between hard cooling time for each drying time. There was a cooling tal and weighing of the sample in order to check the moisture of the sample. The third and fourth stage was the collection on the width and the calculation on the jallet.
Result: as mentioned above, successive mass measurements were taken to follow the drinking process, and is this way with the theoretical measurement make a comparison and find to the yield percentage in order to know if the method as to the interfered in the mass as a sample. To start, there's knowing. This is the possible to affirm that the result obtained with this drying method are the similar to theoretical ones, finding yields that vary between 99.99% and less than 101%, which indicates that using the microwave helps that the efficiency of the process since it does not affect the acquired and precision of the mass measurement.
Conclusions. From the above story, it can conclude that the width and the microwave in laboratories of gravimetric analysis allows improvement in the dry time in wet samples being the genoa of the 40 minutes in some cases of the waves hour while conventional dry days about the 3 hours or even more, considering the about and more that about precision and accuracy are not affected in Sketbit, said that the use of microwaves in the ties of the laboratories in an efficient options.
Thank you.
For attention.